Uh-oh. Mark, Zoom, we're all out of brain power.
Can't go anywhere without that.
I wonder how it happened.
Guys.
Yes,
Zoom.
I wanted to make more rivers, so I heated up more gravy. But it must have used up all the power. I'm sorry.
Well then, we'd better head to the brain power station. I wonder if there's anyone here who can help generate some more brain power for us.
Look, it's Hannah and Leah.
Hi, Hannah and Leah. We've run out of brain power.
Would you be able to make some more for us?
Yes, we would!
It's time for our brain power challenge.
When the power runs out, it's the brain power challenge. When we can't get a bus, it's the brain power challenge. Put our helmets on, got our brains feeling strong. Get the power back on. Brain power challenge.
Okay, Hannah and Leah, we need you to help us with everything you know about rivers so that we can generate enough brain power to get the curiosity moving again. Are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Leah, where do most rivers start? Is it in fountains, on mountains, or in an accountant's?
Mountains.
Yes, correct!
Yay! Good job, Leah.
And look, you're already making brain power. Hannah, let's see if you can make enough brain power so we can take Zoom to see the Grand Canyon with its amazing river. When a river twists and turns, does it gander, wander, or meander?
Meander!
Correct answer, yeah!
Yay!